In this era of technological innovation and intelligent linkage, 5G has become one of the most popular topics. The future network connection requires optical devices with faster transmission, higher density, and better performance, which brings more challenges to manufacturers in the optical communication industry. HYC is a high-tech enterprise engaged in R&D, manufacturing and marketing of fiber optical products, provides high stable, cost-effective and leading-edge components and assemblies. HYC has an international R&D and operation team dedicated in developing and manufacturing advanced optical products, such as fiber connectors, WDM, PLC splitter, MEMS optical switch, and other passive components. For the applications of data center, HYC provides optical connectors with polarity reversible function and exclusively patented tap design, as well as IEC-compliant internal shutter adapters with dust and laser-proof effects. HYC's high-density cassette is compatible with both of 8-fiber and 12-fiber connection formats, provides ultra-high density cabling solutions that conform to standard cabinet sizes. HYC's WDM devices are widely used in metropolitan network and 5G networks. The diversified designs meet various application requirements, such as pigtail module, LGX module, HD rack, 6-port WDM, CCWDM, AAWG, 5 OLM and optical fiber sensing, with compact structure and low latency. HYC has applied lean operation system based on quality control, lean production and information technology, continuously provides high quality, low cost products to customers with fast response and delivery. HYC invested in a variety of precision automation and testing equipment to ensure product consistency and high reliability, as well as intelligence information systems to meet the standards of Industry 4.0 and Smart Factory. Quality decides reputation. Innovation wins future. HYC will focus on continuous innovation and lean production, provide high-quality products and services for the global customers.